What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today is the day before a whole bunch of citizens in the state of Louisiana are trying to organize a walk out of your job on Wednesday. I don't think it's going to work, but I think I'm going to join in. Just say forget all my chores for the land, forget taking care of the animals. Just say forget it. You think Big Boy and Valentine are going to like that? I don't think so. Let's hear from them. See what they think. I don't think they happy. They'll be locked up in their pens. It ain't going to be nice for anybody. But anyway, on today's episode, we're going to do some bacon wrapped thick cut pork chops. Stuff it with some mozzarella cheese and some nice Cajun sausage. We're going to hit it up with some of that Willow's seasoning blends. There's sweet heat, whole lot of sweet, little bit of heat. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey, so luckily I was able to get a mic in time before I posted this video. So as you can see here, you take a nice thick cut pork chop. You go ahead and cut a pocket into it. Then you take your Willow's seasoning blends, the sweet heat, and you pour a nice helping into it. Then you take some of that Cajun sausage and you go ahead and stuff some of that inside of there. Now you go ahead and take some of that nice mozzarella cheese and you take a good handful of that, stuff it inside of there too. Fold that over. Go ahead and take some of that sweet heat seasoning. As you can see, I took a glove and pull it over the bottle so that way I'm able to hold it with my dirty hands, and I'll go ahead and sprinkle it all over that pork chop. Now you go ahead and start taking that bacon, start wrapping it up, and as you can see here, I take some of these grill pins and start pushing it through to connect the bacon from one end to the other, and just keep layering on the bacon from one end of the pork chop to the other until you're done. Go ahead and start your grill up. You're going to go ahead and put it to smoke. Now you're going to let all that white smoke out of there so that way it's not in your food. Now that all that white smoke is out of the grill, you're going to go ahead and take it down and put the grill up to 300 degrees. We're going to go ahead now and put on those nice thick cut pork chops, and we're going to look for internal temperature of 165 degrees before we pull them off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check those pork chops now. Oh yeah, they're done. Got that 165 internal. Going to go ahead and pull them off. Just look at how good that pork chop looks. Nice good color there. We're going to go ahead and pull them off, let them rest for a couple minutes, and cut into them in a couple minutes. Just look at that beautiful color there. Nice doneness on the bacon, nice crispiness. Let's go ahead and cut into one of them. Take a look at that sausage and cheese. Oh yeah. Look at that. Perfectly done. Nice color. Let's go ahead and cut off a bite for our taste. Overall, I'm very impressed with the rub. It has a very pronounced sweetness note to it with the brown sugar and the cinnamon, but it also has a very nice heat to it with the cayenne pepper that hits you in the back of the tongue. But overall, I'm very impressed with the rub. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.